Alright, so we're looking at the third set. Actually, this is one of the easier sets. In fact, if you have done it, you will realize by now that this is actually very easy. It would not have taken you more than 6 minutes or 7 minutes at best to crack this. But let's go ahead and take a look at this question. So what does it say? There are four people, four friends, A, B, C, D, and they are visiting four cities, A, B, C, D. Aman has been to Bhojpur and Chandan has never visited Agra. These are the two pieces of information given to us. And then we also have two figures given to us. So what are these two figures? If you notice, we have Aman has visited only one city. Aman has visited one city. Biplap has visited two cities. Chandan three cities. And Dheeraj two cities. Similarly, Agra is visited by one person. Bhojpur has been visited by two people. Cuttack by two people. Now we don't know anything about Dhanbad. But then we notice that the total number of cities visited should be equal to the total number of people who are visiting it. Total number of people meaning the total number of trips done by the people. So if you look at people, 1 city plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So that's a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 cities have been visited by these 4 people. So the sum of these 4 cities should also be equal to 8 because that's the number of trips. So which means your Dhanbad should actually be a total of 3 because you already have 1 plus 2 plus 2 which is 5 and the total should be 8. So the remaining 3 should be Dhanbad. Now who can be where? So let's take a quick look at it. So we have A, B, C, D for people and let me write the 4 cities. Or let me put it the other way around. Instead of drawing it this way, I can probably try to do it in a slightly different way this time. Okay, so Agra should be, so Bhojpur should be 2 people. Let me write it like this. Cuttack should be 2 people and Dhanbad should be 3 people. 1, 2 and 3. And of course here there's only one person, right? Now let's start with the information given to us. What is the information given to us? Aman has been to Bhojpur. So Aman has been to Bhojpur. So one of this Bhojpur person is Aman. And the second piece of information is Chandan never visited Agra. So Chandan is not into Agra. So this person who's Agra, this cannot be Chandan. Now the starting point for us will be Chandan because Chandan has to visit 3 cities and Agra is not one of them. So definitely is visiting the remaining 3 cities. So Bhojpur he has to visit. Then he has to visit this place again. What is this, Cuttack? And he has to visit Dhanbad also. Only then his 3 will be met. Now Dheeraj has to visit 2 places. Now, which 2 places could it be? Now Dheeraj can visit Agra, he could visit Cuttack, he could visit Dhanbad. Any of these 3 places he can visit, right? So we don't know. So there are basically 3 places left for Dheeraj and 2 times he is going. So basically any 2 out of these 3 he can visit. So what are the 3 cases? The 3 cases could be case number 1. So let me write down the 3 cases. Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3. Case number 1 is when, so these are the people, okay. I am writing this down, drawing this so that you can get a clarity. So this is the third case, second case and first case. So every case, this is Aman and Chandan. This is no doubt. This is Aman and this is Chandan. In every case, this has to be Chandan. And here also it has to be Chandan. There is no doubt. But who are the other 2? That's what we are trying to find out. Who is this second person here? And who is this one person here? In all the 3 cases, Chandan is not coming here. So let me take the 3 cases. The first case is where I am dealing with Dheeraj. So Dheeraj is in here and Dheeraj is here. This is one case. Second case, I will say Dheeraj is here and Dheeraj is, let's say, here. And third case, I will say Dheeraj is here and Dheeraj is here. These are the 3 cases possible. Now let's look at the remaining piece of information. Now Dheeraj is taken care of. I have marked all both places of Dheeraj. I have taken care of Chandan and I have taken care of Aman. I have taken care of Aman everywhere, right? Then Biplap is the only person who is left in all the 3 cases. Now Biplap is visiting 2 places. So whatever are the 2 places, that will be Biplap. So in the first case, if you look at it, there are only 2 places left here and they are in the same city. This is not possible because each person is visiting a city, not one city twice. So the first case is not possible, but the second case is possible. Biplap is here and Biplap is here. And the third case, Biplap is here and Biplap is here. So these are the two cases. So this is not possible. These two are possible. So there are two possibilities for us. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the question. The first question, if Biplab visited Cuttack, then who visited Agra? So Biplab is visiting Cuttack. That is a second case. Biplab is visiting Cuttack. So who visited Agra? Agra is visited by Dheeraj. Agra is visited by Dheeraj. So the first answer will be option D. It's a simple question. This, you shouldn't miss questions like this. Then the next question, which of the following is definitely false? Biplab and Chandan visited Cuttack. Dheeraj visited Agra. Biplab and Dheeraj visited Cuttack. So you'll notice that option C is the correct answer. Biplab and Dheeraj visited Cuttack. B and D cannot visit Cuttack in any of the two possibilities. You can see Dheeraj and Chandan, Biplab and Chandan, but not B and D. So that is not a possibility at all. So that's why the answer for 14th becomes option C. Then if you look at 15th question, how many cities did both Biplab and Dheeraj visit? Now Biplab and Dheeraj, they both together visited how many cities? Both together. So wherever there is Biplab and Dheeraj, so B-I and Dheeraj. So B-I and Dheeraj, yes. If you look at the second case, one city only. If you look at the third case, again you have one city. So whether it's a second case or it is a third case, both of them visited only one city. So it doesn't matter how many cases are there, because the answer is same in both. You will say the answer is option B, 1. And the last question in this set, for how many of the cities is the information about who visited them definitely known? So which of them is confirmed? We can clearly see what is confirmed. Now, this is again not a big, not a difficult question at all. Agra has two possibilities, so this is not confirmed. But definitely Bhojpur is confirmed. Cuttack, again we have different possibilities. It could be Dheeraj and Chandan, Chandan and Biplab. So there is no guarantee about Cuttack. Agra, there is no guarantee. And then you can see Dhanbad. Dhanbad always is Dheeraj, Biplab, Chandan, Dheeraj, Biplab and Chandan. So always Dhanbad is also confirmed. So Dhanbad and Bhojpur are the two cities which are confirmed. The other two cities, Cuttack and Agra, are not confirmed. So therefore the last answer should be two cities. So that would be option B again. Right? So this is actually an easy set, should have been completed in probably 4 minutes to solve it, or 5 minutes to solve, crack the set, and 2 minutes to finish off the questions. So 6 minutes you should have got something around, 4 questions. So 4 3s are 12 marks there.